How to change cover of your Pinterest board. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change the cover of your Pinterest board. Follow the steps for a quick and easy update. First of all, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to the board section by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose the board for which you want to change the cover. Once in the board, tap on the three dots at the top for the additional options. You will notice that there is no change board cover option or similar phrasing. If you don't see it, don't worry, there is an alternative method to do so. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on More Ideas. Explore and select more pins related to your board's topic. Once you have chosen the desired images, go back and your board cover will automatically change to reflect the selected pins. Feel free to experiment with different images until you find the perfect cover for your board. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.